Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can update Beehiiv domain name for your website. So first, of course, you have to make sure that you already have a plan. So you can just choose from these plans and then you already have your account all set up so that you will be able to access all of its features and that you won't be missing anything. So after that, you will just have to go to your website and then you will look for domain settings and then go ahead and click edit domain. Then you will enter the new domain and then you will click save and you will update DNS records in your domain provider if required. After all that, you will just have to test the website URL to ensure that it revolves correctly. And by the way, changes may take up to 24 hours to propagate. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.